Hi Sanjog. So I was looking into this Reach editor that got upgraded after the change, and in this, when I add insert image, it's quite big. Yeah. I inserted this image, and now I'm saving this. So after inserting image, it is displayed correctly. If I save it and then check the image, let me create the sales order. Yeah, so after creating the sales order, saving it, it is showing something like this. It's the image is broken. I was trying to reproduce this on live, but there is already an existing issue with this edit. I mean, I'm not able to access the image URL, image field itself on the live environment. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.